Paper 2, question number 60. It is a match the column type question. So, first, taking its A part. Question number 60, A part. It is given that mod z is equal to 1 and z is not equal to plus minus 1. We have to find real part of 2 iota z upon 1 minus z square. So, 2 iota z upon 1 minus z square. As mod z is 1, considering let z is equals to cos theta plus iota sin theta. Substituting this value here, 2 iota cos theta plus iota sin theta upon 1 minus cos 2 theta minus iota sin 2 theta. We get 2 iota cos theta minus 2 sin theta upon 2 sin square theta minus 2 iota sin theta cos theta. That is equals to minus cosec theta. Now, as we know that the range of the cosec theta is minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. So, range of minus cosec theta will be minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. So, answer of this question must be P or S. Now, taking the second part of this question, we get find the domain of sine inverse 8 into 3 raised to the power x minus 2 upon 1 minus 3 raised to the power twice of x minus 1. Now, as we know, the domain of sine inverse x is minus 1 to 1. X must belongs to minus 1 to 1. So, 8 into 3 raised to the power x upon 9 minus 3 raised to the power 2x must lie between minus 1 to 1. Let 3 raised to the power x is equal to t. Now, we get minus 1 is less than equal to 8t upon 9 minus t square must be less than equals to 1. By solving this, we get t belongs to, by solving it one by one, minus 1 is less than equal to 8t upon 9 minus t square and 8t upon 9 minus t square must be less than equals to 1. Solving it further, we get 8t upon 9 minus t square plus 1 must be greater than equals to 0 and 8t upon 9 minus t square minus 1 must be less than equals to 0. We get 8t plus 9 minus t square upon 9 minus t square must be greater than equals to 0 and 8t minus 9 plus t square upon 9 minus t square must be less than equals to 0. So, we get t square minus 8t minus 9 upon t square minus 9 must be greater than equals to 0 and t square plus 8t minus 9 upon t square minus 9 must be greater than equals to 0. From here we get t minus 9 into t plus 1 upon t minus 3 into t plus 3 must be greater than equals to 0 and t plus 9 into t minus 1 upon t minus 3 into t plus 3 must be greater than equals to 0. By solving these two inequalities, we get t is less than equals to 1 and t is greater than equals to 9. So, x belongs to minus infinity to 0 union 2 to infinity. Now, taking the third part of this question, that is C part, that is f theta is equals to 1 minus tan theta minus 1 tan theta 1 minus tan theta 1 tan theta 1. Solving this determinant, we get f theta is equals to 2 sec square theta. As we know that sec square theta is always greater than equal to 1. So 2 sec square theta means f theta must belongs to 2 to infinity. So answer of this part C must be R. Now the last part of this question, D, that is let fx is equals to x to the power half 3x minus 10 for all x greater than equal to 0. Then fx is increasing in, that is we have to find the intervals in which fx is monotonically increasing. So first we find f dash x. Now f dash x will be x to the power half into 3 plus 1 by 2 root x into 3x minus 10. That is equals to 15 root x by 2 into x minus 2. For monotonically increasing, f dash x must be greater than equals to 0. So x must be greater than equal to 2. Hence answer of this question must be 2 to infinity. So answer of this part is again R.